If a procedure that is needed for an animation is not readily available, you can write a new procedure in the code editor. Our programming challenge is that fish never stand still in the ocean because the ocean currents make them constantly move. As the fish stand still talking to each other, they should bob up and down gently to simulate the appearance of moving with the current. Let's write a new procedure that accomplishes this movement. We will declare a new procedure for the fish. It will be stored in the project file for use later. Any fish objects will inherit or be able to use this new procedure. Select the MyFish class from the object tree. Click the Add Procedure button to declare a new procedure. Name this procedure Bob. A new tab is created in the code editor to code this procedure. Drag the Move procedure into the code editor. Select Up for the direction. This is a slight movement, so select Custom Decimal Number, then 0.125 for the distance. Drag in another Move procedure and select Down for the direction. Select 0.125 for the distance. This new procedure is finished and automatically saved. Click Back to My Scene. Click the My First Method tab. Call the procedure in My First Method so it is executed when the animation runs. My First Method is the method that executes your animation, meaning that whatever code you enter in My First Method is run in the order in which it is written. We want the fish to bob together, so drag the Do Together control tile into the code editor. Select the clownfish from the Instance drop-down menu. The new procedure that was just created is at the top of the list. Drag the Bob procedure into the Do Together. Select the Pajama Fish instance from the drop-down list. Drag the Bob procedure into the Do Together. Run the animation. The fish only do this once, and we want them to do this several times before the shark swims up. Drag the Count tile into the code editor. Enter 5. This means that the code will execute the Do Together statement 5 times in a loop and then stop. Drag the Do Together into the Count tile. Run the animation again. There are hundreds of ways to program the objects in your animation to act. Experiment with procedures in the control tiles to see how they work.